Well, right now our PowerPoint is loading, and so we will see if it loads. And so you guys have finished your fluency, so we're on Monday. You probably have done this on your own, but if not, the passage is on this PowerPoint that's attached. It's also in your assignment itself. So you're going to read your fluency passage each day. Today, you're reading with you and one other partner, and the focus is on accuracy, like we spoke before. Here's your passage. Here's our chart. It's similar to what you do each day. You're going to rate yourself, and the listener is going to rate you as well. The Guardian newspaper estimates 40% of the city's infrastructure has been damaged or destroyed. So this is a word from our reading that we're actually going to read today. And the word infrastructure has a prefix in it, infra, and it has a root word struct. And so, or even structure, you've probably heard before. So you could build a structure, you can construct, which means to build with. So if I said to construct a statement, you would build with words, probably. If I said construct a tower, you would build with whatever I gave you in a science class or something like that. If I said construct a solution, you would build that solution with numbers in like a math class. And so struct means to build. So we have other words that go with that root word. We have restructure, which means to put back together. We have again, so right, re means again. We have to instruct, which means in the present. And so I instruct the class or build knowledge. Then you have construction, or which is like construct. So means to build. So and that's present tense, like it's going on right now, right? The construction process of a building could also be the construction of a paragraph. It could be the construction of an equation. It could be the construction of a design or experiment. So these words are in all different kinds of things that we teach. And then to deconstruct would mean to unbuild or to not build, right? To take apart. So we can deconstruct what we learn too into its parts. We can deconstruct an equation into each step. We can deconstruct a design into each piece. We can deconstruct our paragraph or our sentence into the parts that make it up also, like a topic sentence or a statement, or in science we use a claim. We can deconstruct a sentence into a subject, a noun, which is a noun, a verb. We could deconstruct it into an adverb and an adjective, those things that describe nouns or describe verbs. Or we could deconstruct it even more with like compound sentences, first sentence, second sentence, a conjunction, things that we've learned before. So infrastructure, though, is a word that is talking about the structure inside typically like a city or an area of population. So Northwest Arkansas has infrastructure. So do the countries that we were talking about. And so that's where that word comes from. It means build or built. So that's where we're saying struct. And infrastructure is the inside, what's inside the city itself. So we have the infrastructure is the basic foundation or underlying framework of an organization or system. In your house, you have infrastructure in the system of beams and